It's not making the national chairman charged to you to go back to your state as the chief executive, especially the area of the new fuel subsidy. So I would like to know the position of PGF over this. And secondly, sir, the party some few weeks ago decided on the zoning formula for the National Assembly. What is the position of PGF over this, sir?
Well, some of the things you said, I didn't hear the chairman say them, but however, as a forum, we are committed to the ideals of the government that is also our party, because the federal government belongs to APC. It's APC-led government. And everything that is contained in the manifesto of our great party during our campaigns are meant to be done and carried out. So on the issue of fuel subsidy, all the presidential candidates during the campaign all promised that they would remove fuel subsidy. The incumbent government, before he left, made us to know that fuel subsidy is no longer sustainable. What we are talking about now is implementation process, how to implement the program in a manner that it will not be too hard on the people. And I think the government is working on it. I have confidence on the ability of the president, the current president, to navigate through the waters and take decisions that will be to the best interest of our people and the country as a nation.
National Assembly leadership.
Well, I don't know the National Assembly leadership.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to know about it?
The party issued a consensus agreement.
The president has not made proclamation for the National Assembly leadership to be inaugurated. And of course, you know, APC is the majority party. At the right time, the party will continue to convince and talk to stakeholders, so collectively the issue will be resolved.